Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is fraction, but we are going to deal with addition and subtraction of fraction. Addition and subtraction of fraction. You know that for addition and subtraction, if they have the same denominator, for that one we can deal with the operation sign. That means if they have you have 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. It means they are having the same denominator. That the denominator is 4. So you can just deal with the operation sign, which is plus. So equal to 3 over 4. Right? Yes. Or if you have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. They are having the same denominator. So as a matter of that, you can deal with the operation sign, which is a minus. So you get 2 over 4. You get 2 over 4. But when it comes to when they have different denominators, like 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. For this one, you cannot add them unless you express the denominator to become equal. Yes, so unless we express the denominator, both the 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4, the denominators are 3 and 4, unless we expect them to have common denominator. So expressing them, that's what we term as LCM, the least common multiple. So you are going to find the least common multiple for both of them before you continue solving. So I hope you already know this method. Thank you. Now, let's deal with example number 1 concerning addition and subtraction of fractions. The question says, add 1 whole number 2 over 3 to 3 whole number 1 over 3. Okay. So solution. So this is mixed fraction. So as a matter of fact, we're supposed to change it to improper fraction. This is mixed fraction, so we're supposed to change it to improper fraction. In order for you to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction, you multiply the denominator by the whole number, then you add the numerator to it. Okay, so you multiply the denominator with 3 by the whole number, which is 1. Then you add the numerator to it, which is 2 all over the denominator. Yes. So you say add, we are adding on to this one. Right, so that's what the operation will be. We are dealing with addition of fraction concerning this question. Okay. Now we are changing 3 1 and 1 over 3 into improper fraction. So you multiply the denominator by the whole number plus the numerator. So then we will get this one multiply this one, get 3 times 3 plus 1 over 3. That's the denominator. Now let's simplify it. So 3 times 1 get 3 plus 2 you get 5. So 5 over 3, yes. Then plus. This one to 3 times 3 gets 9 plus 1 we get 10. So 10 over 3. Yes. Now we can see that they are having the same denominator. As a matter of that, you can continue with the operation. With the operation sign here is plus, that's addition. So you can continue with the addition. So you add the numerators, you get 15 over 3. 15 over 3. 15 over 3. The denominators, you don't add them, you just choose one of them, right? You choose one of them because they have the same denominator. So you get 15 over 3. Then you can see that 3 can go to this set 1 and can go to 15 5 times. you get what 5. The whole number is what 5 for this solution. So for addition and subtraction, that fraction, when you are solving it, you're supposed to solve it systematically so that you get all the marks that you need. Don't skip method, right? So for this one, method 1, and the answer you get 1 as well. So for this one, the actual math is 3 marks. So if you follow the method systematically, you're able to earn all the 3 marks. So whilst I'm showing more examples, pay much attention so that you're able to follow, and when you are solving as well, you get what the right answer by following the method systematically as well. Thank you. Okay, so example 2. The question says, simplify 6 whole number 3 over 4 minus 4 whole number 1 over 3. I want you to pause the video. After that, I'll come out with the right solution. So when we're done trying, I'll solve it for you and you see the right answer. So pause the video and solve this problem ourselves. Okay, let's continue by solving. I hope now we're done solving it. Okay. So you have 6 whole number 3 over 4. As you know, for you to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction, you multiply the denominator by the whole number, then you add the numerator to it. So this one you get 4 multiplying the 6 plus 3 over 4. Right? Yes. Then this one will get 3 multiplying 4 plus the numerator, which is 1 over 3. Yeah. Then 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So now 27 over 4 minus 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 over 3. Good. So now you can see that you are having different denominators. Right? So the denominator for this one is 3. This one is 4. As a matter of that, we're supposed to find the least common multiple. Yes. So the least common multiple is talking about the multiples of 4 and the multiple of 3. So when we deal with the multiple of 1 and the multiple of 3, the one which is common in all of them, that's the least one. Yes, you know, you get a lot of common multiples from them, but the least one. Yes. Okay. So the HCM for 4 and 3 is what? It's 12. Yes. It's 12. Because multiples of 4 we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Let's deal with the multiples of 3. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So the multiples of the common multiples, we have 12. The common multiples, we have 24. Yes. And you can see least common multiple is it. It means the one that comes first. Though the common multiple we can see 12 and 24. But the least one, the least means the one that comes first. So the HCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now, 4 go into the 12 how many times? The 4 go into the 12 3 times, right? 3 times. So we got 3 to multiply the numerator. 27 times 3. That's 21. 1, 2, 6, 8. Yes. So you get 81. You get 81. You get 81. Okay. Now, 3 here also go into 12. How many times? 3 here go to 12 4 times. So you must use the 4 to multiply the numerator. So 4 times 13. I think you get 52. So do the question sign. 52. Yeah, 52. Now you subtract the 52 from the 81, right? Okay. 81, 52. Yes. So you get 29. 29 over 12. Yes. So you get 29 over 12. Then after that, you can decide to change the 29 over 12 into mixed fraction, or let's say proper fraction. Also, you can say in mixed fraction. So you get 2 times 12 here times 7, 8, 4, in which to level 5. Yes. So in 2 1 5 over 12 is what is the final answer. Yes. 2 1 5 over 12 is the final answer of this question. Or you can decide to do it like that. 29 over 12. That's 12 over 29 2 times. That's 24. 2 times here. So back 5 times as well. And over the denominator, which is 12. So I hope when you close the video, you got the same answer. If you were able to get it, better luck next time. Yeah, and that is the right solution for this question. Okay, so example number 3 says simplify the table number 1 or 2 plus table number 3 or 4 minus 7 over 12 plus 1 number 5 over 6. So it means the ones that are in mixed fractions, supposed to convert them to improper fractions, right? Okay. So yeah. So the ones that are in mixed fraction, you convert them to improper fraction. So for this one, I won't waste my time because you already know how to change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Right? So I can start to write that substitute for the max. Also some people, let me explain it to you. So is the denominator multiplying the whole number plus the numerator. Right? The 2 that the denominator multiply the whole number plus the numerator multiply the 2. This one you get the 4 multiplying the 2 plus 3 over 4 minus you have okay there is one bracket and here you have 7 over 12. It is already in it's simplest unit, right? Okay. Then this one too. Six times 1 plus 5 all over 6. Okay, yeah. So now let's come to this one that we have simplified in this way. So 3 times 2 we get 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 over 2 plus this one 4 times 2 8 what? 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 over 4. 11 over 4 minus 7 or 12 is already there. 7 or 12 is already there. Plus 6 times 1 is 6 plus this one. 5 gets 11. So 11 over 6. Okay. Now let's come to this one. Let's find the least common multiplication. Yes, so the least common multiplication is currently over that is 4. But the multiple of 2, we get 2, 4, 6, 8. And the multiple of 4, we get 4, 8. We can say there's a reason for because 2, 4, 4, 8. We have 4 candidates for each. Okay, and it's already 4. 2 goes to 4 2 times. Then multiply the 2 by this one, get 14. Plus 4 going to the 4 1. So 1 times 11 gets 11. Are you okay? Minus the SCM for 2 and 6. What is it? 2 and 6. Okay, so it's 12. So 6, 12, 18. That's 2, 4, 6. Okay, so 2, 4, 6. The SCM is 6. It's not 12. 12 is least common multipliers. The least one is 6. The least one is 6. So 6. 2 going to 6 3 times. 3 times 7 is root 1. Right? Plus 6 going to 7 1. 1 times 11 is 11. Okay. And you know that the question something is also minus. Right? Okay. So this one we get 25 over 4 minus this one we get 32 over 6. Now, what is the SCM for this one? 4 and 6. 4 and 6. The SCM is 12. The least common multiple is 12. If you solve it, you get 12. I get one example on the book. If you solve the loop for it, you will see that the least common multiple here for 4 and 6 is 12. So 12. 4 going to 12 3 times. 3 times 25 is 75. Minus 6 going to 12. 2 times 32 is 64. And we can do the subtraction. So 64 from 75, we get 11. Yes. So it's 11 over 12. Yeah. So that's the final answer for this for this question. I hope it is not difficult. Just have to follow the method by converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then you continue with the operation signs, either minus plus, and then you give the right. So that's how we move on to the next. So now we are done with the solving examples. And this is the assignment. It's not difficult. If you follow the method that we use to solve the various examples during the lesson, you can easily solve these ones as well. So you do the English 22 and send it to me on WhatsApp. I will gladly take it for you. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Have a wonderful